Whoa!
Nope.
Someone on the dune. So that must be the trail that you can take, yeah, with their dogs. Oof. Legit sand dune. Oh! Looked like the dog fell, hey? Ooh, I would be sketched to take my animal up there. That must be where the hike is, though. Okay, we're going to the edge, friends. We should have stopped over there. It looked like there was a rock or see where these people are parked. It was like some sort of memorial something over there, but I didn't realize that that was a straight up sand dune. We'll just try this edge. Oh! It is steep. Well, I wonder where that cabin thing was. Maybe it must be over on the other side. Wow, you see the weather over there? Look at it. Wow. What is that? Look at that. It's definitely steeper than I remember it being. Oh, it's silt. Crazy, hey? Look at that sand dune. That's crazy. Oh, maybe it's over here. I'm scared of snakes. Damn it. Oh, thank God it worked out. Yeah! Woo-wee! Be some gold in there.
Look at all the setup in tree farms there.
Right? Man, that's cool. Whew. Use my hat. Yeah, you can definitely tell. Look, there's a big crack. Huh. Well, I wonder where we stopped, because I don't think that there would have been.
What the heck that is?
I know, I just zoomed in. What round thing? Missed it. Oh, look at that edge. That's the sled.
Let's see what this is.
Yeah.
Tree stump.
Pretty interesting dunes. Dune. Man, this is pretty country. Can't believe that guy on that sand dune with his dogs. Sketch. Look at that big rock. Look at all the sagebrush. Pretty nuts. There's definitely gold down there. That would be the place to look. And it's neat. Could you imagine the river ripping through here? Maybe that's the truck. Someone's. It's cool. Look at the edge of the slide though from here. See that flat silty stuff?
Yeah.
Cool. Very cool. Oh, that guy's going up. Where'd he come from? Huh. All right. I'll see you out.